A really good place to get feedback is like the Makerspaces. There are a lot of other people there with a lot of different experiences. There are people who are amazing woodworkers and others who are amazing with the 3D printers and building the models.
For those who have started building a prototype, they have an idea and they are starting to maybe not yet validate the market with the product. Are there any resources out there other than maybe asking strangers on the street what they think about it?
Yeah. So when you're talking to people like that, it's a good idea, and I know a lot of companies don't do this, and it turns out okay for them. But do try to find a boilerplate non-disclosure agreement of some kind that you can sign with some of those people, just so you have some type of official papering of the relationship, so that as your buddy, your friend, they're not going to go blab your idea intentionally,
right.
But they might mention it unintentionally offhand, and at least the NDA provides a little bit of legal protection there. But also it helps them realize, yeah, this is an idea I'm pretty serious about, and it will make them less likely to accidentally drop it in a conversation because they know, oh, we signed that thing, I wasn't going to tell anybody about it. A really good place to get feedback is like the Makerspaces. There are a lot of other people there with a lot of different experiences. There are people who are amazing woodworkers and others who are amazing with the 3D printers and building the models, people who are just really good with their hands and others who are great at visualizing things. Some of them you'll find people who are really good at software. If you can bounce ideas off people like that, maybe you could even organize an event, they may already have these, where people can kind of pitch their ideas and get feedback from a group, where it's in a protected session so that people aren't going to steal the ideas, at least not officially.
Right.
That could get you some feedback. I would tend to keep it kind of on the small side first. If you're worried about people trying not to hurt your feelings, tell them, you're not going to hurt my feelings. I'm going to spend a lot of time on this if you really think it's good. So you'll hurt my feelings if you tell me it's good and you really don't think it is. Yeah. A lot of what you're getting there, I think, at least in my experience in Makerspaces, getting spun up, you have certain areas of interest and expertise. You've seen a project, you want to do something, but there are portions that you absolutely have confidence you can do, and there are parts that you kind of have an idea, and there are parts you maybe have no idea at all. And by talking to the other people in the Makerspaces, first of all, they help you fill in the part you kind of know about and point you to resources to learn about the stuff you totally don't know about, but may also be somebody that's good to partner with and work together with.
Thanks for listening to The Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media.